Hi, I'm Barry of Barry's Mobile Bicycle Maintenance, and this is Terry. We're also directors in Merseycycle. I set up Barry's Mobile Bicycle Maintenance just on 8 years ago now, and after a short while got very busy. Terry became full-time, and we also take on a part-time member of staff in the summer. Barry's Mobile Bicycle Maintenance is a shop that goes all around Merseyside and mainly fixes people's bikes. Whilst we were doing this, we discovered that there's a need for recycling bikes, so we set up Merseycycle, a social enterprise which is a community interest company based here at Courtay Park. Here with volunteers we recycle bikes and sell them on to the public at reduced rates to make sure we get people cycling. Today, as part of the Big Bike Revival, we are organising a bike ride to the Ducky Pond at Halewood Park, where with Ben from the Biobank we're going to do some nature work. Last time